So, good morning, children. Good morning, children. So, in this week, we are going to see a lesson from zoology, tissues. Already, you might have studied in your 9th standard. And now, you are going to see tissue level of organization. Chapter 3. Group of cells that are similar in structure and perform common function are called tissues. Tissues are organized in specific proportions and patterns to form organs like heart, lungs, stomach, kidney, ovaries, testes. Hence, tissues are called the living fabrics. The study of tissues are called histology. So now what is histology? Why this tissues are called living fabrics? These are very important. So now you are seeing the general classification of animal tissue: epithelial, connective, muscular, neural. Epithelial alone divided into simple and compound. Under simple, squamous, cuboidal, columnar, ciliated, pseudostratified tissues are present. Compound can be divided into stratified and transitional. Stratified is divided into three types: squamous, cuboidal, columnar, keratinized and non-keratinized. So this is the common classification of animal tissue. So the various types of tissue you are seeing in the human picture: connective tissue, skeletal tissue, epithelial tissue, cardiac tissue, smooth muscles, nervous tissue. Types of epithelial tissue. Types of epithelial tissue: simple squamous epithelium, simple cuboidal epithelium, simple columnar, pseudostratified ciliated columnar epithelium, stratified squamous epithelium. So you can see all the picture. And there was many difference between each kind of epithelium: squamous, flattened, cuboidal, cube-like, columnar, pillar-like. So stratified means thickness. So now tissue types: epithelial tissue covering, connective tissue support, muscle tissue movement, nervous tissue control. Epithelial tissue, it's a sheet of cell that covers the body surface or lines the body. Body as a covering, as a lining epithelium, and as glandular epithelium. So general function of epithelium is protection, absorption, filtration, secretion. So protection theriyum, absorption, so food nutrients absorption, certain minerals absorption in the body, filtration, urine filtration, secretion, glands. And a simple epithelium composed of a single layer of cell, and generally they are found in the organ of absorption, secretion and filtration. Then classification: squamous, cuboid, already we have seen in the picture. So squamous epithelium made up of a single thin layer of flattened cells. They show irregular boundaries found in kidney, glomeruli, air sac of lungs, lining of heart, blood vessels and lymphatic vessel. Function: diffusion boundary and filtration in sites where protection is not important. So எங்கு protection ரொம்ப தேவையில்லையோ அந்த இடத்துல diffusion boundaryலையும் filtrationலையும் இது இருக்கும். Cuboidal epithelium made up of single layer of cube-like cell. Kidney tubules, ducts, secretory, small glands and surface of the ovary. So here you can see the picture of both squamous, flattened and pavement like, tiles like. So cube, So cuboidal, cube-like. Functions are secretion and absorption. So generally the cuboidal epithelium function is secretion and absorption. Columnar epithelium composed of single layer of tall cells, round to oval nuclei at the base, present at the digestive tract, stomach to the rectum, and then some modifications in the columnar epithelium, that is called presence of microvilli. So that microvilli columnar epithelium present in absorptive cell and goblet cell. So absorptive cells helps in absorption, goblet cell secrete lubricating mucus. So secretion of mucus, enzyme and other substances. These are the function. And suppose columnar epithelium bears cilia, at the free surface, that is called ciliated columnar epithelium. So it is found in the bronchiole, fallopian tube and uterus. General function is propels the mucus by ciliary action. And then gallbladder and secretory duct of glands. So columnar epithelium with microvilli, you can see. So the microvilli present in the bronchioles, that is inside the lungs. Here then absorption function, some of the cells are doing function absorption. In the absorptive cell they are having ciliated. So microvilli. So the finger like projection, that is called microvilli. So this is some example for the epithelial, the modification of epitheliums. And then goblet cell, this is secreting mucus. So in some organs contain goblet cell, it secrete mucus and helps in immune function, isn't it? So these are some modification of epithelial cell, columnar epithelium. Chapter 3. Group of cells that are similar in structure and perform common function are called tissues. Tissues are organized in specific proportions and patterns to form organs like heart, lungs, stomach, kidney, ovaries, testes. Hence, tissues are called the living fabrics. The study of tissues are called histology. So now what is histology? Why this tissues are called living fabrics? These are very important question.